What is up, guys? Today we're going to be covering how to turn your Lightroom presets into Luts you can use in Premiere. Let's get straight before I forget. I just want to apologize for the lack of uploads for the past week. I've been got really busy with work, and I've actually recently decided to quit my full-time job and try to figure something else out. So if uploads are a little bit wonky over the next few days and weeks, that's sort of why. But anyways, without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So, like I said in the intro, today we're going to be covering how to turn your Lightroom presets into Luts that you can use for your videos. So first, obviously, is we need Lightroom. Once that's covered, the next thing that we're going to need something that's called iWotablab. I have absolutely no idea how to pronounce it, but basically all it is the free utility that you can utilize to be able to make Luts from your Lightroom presets. So once you download it, basically all it's going to come in the sort of folder that says Lightroom Preset Premiere Pro Luts, and essentially all it's basically going to do is open up a file, and it's going to let you generate a HUD, which is basically a PNG file. And essentially what you're going to do is you're going to open up Lightroom, and then you're going to apply your preset to that file, and then you're going to select that file in the program, and then it's going to generate a LUT for you. First things first, if you're doing this brand new, you're going to want to generate a HUD, and you're going to want to pick where you're going to want to put it. For this, I'm just going to do straight on the desktop, and basically this is what you're going to import into Lightroom to be able to copy and paste the settings of your preset to, and then you're going to export it out and then you're going to use that to be able to generate the LUT from. So now take for example that I wanted to use something like this. Go to copy and copy the settings. Now the big thing you're gonna have to remember too is that it's essentially like how LUTs work. You can't actually copy like clarity, sharpening, noise reduction, effects, and stuff like that. So we're gonna make sure that we go and deselect the options that are not gonna make any difference, that might actually end up ruining the LUT. I'm gonna remove the clarity. I'm gonna remove sharpening. I'm going to make sure that I have removed noise reduction, local adjustments, lens correction, any sort of transform, effects, and crop. Okay, so now after some much time, because my computer was basically freaking out and had to restart it, I was able to import the photo into Lightroom, paste the settings into the photo, and now we're going to export it. So we're going to export it into the same location that the original HUD was, and then we're going to want to make sure that you're saving it as a JPEG, sRGB color space, quality 100, and the resolution is 72. Once that's done, you export it, and then you're going to have your actual HUD that you're now going to use to be able to generate the LUT from. So now you go back to your generator, and you're actually going to open up the application, and then once that opens, you're essentially going to select the file that you just exported from Lightroom. You're going to click Convert to Cube. You're going to go where that actual file is, click Open. And now it's going to convert your image into a LUT. And then once that's done, we're essentially going to go into Premiere and then use that LUT on a video. Okay, so now with Premiere open and project that I've recently just worked on, if you haven't actually seen this video, it's how to shoot photos at night. Make sure to go check it out somewhere in the corner. Anyways, so now that we actually have the LUT selected, now we're actually going to go into Lumetri and then basically browse to the LUT that we just made. And right off the bat, we can actually see the very big difference between essentially our normal footage and our actual color footage. Now obviously something like this is very stylized, very unique, it's very intense, so I wouldn't want to actually keep something like this at that level. So instead I'm going to bring it back down maybe 30, and that already looks a lot better, and it's the same color as a lot of the photos I actually work on. But for all that being said and done, now I'd actually be able to happy just posting that as is. Anyways, with all that being said and done, I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a comment down below telling me how you might use this for your next project, and make sure to like this video because it really does help them out. And if you haven't already, subscribe for more videos in the future. And I will see you guys next time. Peace.